The Sault Ste. Marie Canal National Historic Site of Canada is home to an emergency swing dam. It looks like a bridge, but it's actually a dam. Only 9 of these structures were ever built. This nationally significant engineering work is the last surviving swing dams of its type in the world. The Emergency Swing Dam is an innovative engineering achievement designed and built by the Dominion Bridge Company from Montreal in 1896. It is built entirely of steel and is 372 feet long. That's as long as 10 school buses parked bumper to bumper. Designed to swing out over the canal in an emergency, the swing dam rests and pivots on a large turntable. Historically, 4 men turned a T-shaped handle to swing the dam across the canal. The dam uses 23 wickets and shutters. The wickets are the frames and the shutters are the panels. Once across the canal, each of the dam's wickets are lowered and a steel shutter automatically slides down within it on rollers. When lowered, these wickets and shutters form a dam against the sill, reducing the rush of water. This was the only swing dam ever put to the ultimate test under emergency conditions. On June 9, 1909, the coal freighter Perry G. Walker crashed into the lower lock gates, causing water from Lake Superior to flood into the canal. The force of the water was so strong it ripped 2 sets of lock gates out of the wall. At the same time, 2 other steamers were using the lock, and the water pressure forced all 3 boats through the lock, destroying both pair of gates. No lives were lost, but the boats were badly damaged. The superintendent immediately ordered the emergency swing dam to be swung into position across the canal. The hand crank to move the swing dam into place broke, so the dam was closed manually with the help of horses. Some wickets were stuck open, needing extra force to close them, and 1 wicket also broke under the water pressure. It took the canal team 3.5 days of effort to close the gaps in the wickets and shutters so the dam could tame the raging torrent to a slow trickle, to allow the auxiliary gates to be closed and the lock repaired. Only 12 days later, the new gates were in place and the canal was operational. The Sault Canal's emergency swing dam is the last remaining dam of its type in the world. Parks Canada protects the dam and the canal to preserve our heritage for present and future generations.